Hello. As a leader, one of the important expectations from you is that you continue to inspire people, continue to drive them towards goals and vision and dreams. So today I'm going to share with you certain ideas which will help you to understand how you can inspire people in such a simple way. And why they are simple? Because all these ideas start from question words like who, when, what, how, and so on. So the first idea is who. What it essentially means is that when you are interacting with people, help them to understand who they can become. I'm repeating, help them to understand who they can become because of the potential they carry, because of the capabilities they have, because of the talents they can use. And when they are put to use, what is it that they can create for themselves? Show them possibilities of becoming a much better professional, much better human being. Second important idea is that why. Everyone wants to connect with a strong why. And if your organization is driven with a purpose, connect people to that purpose. Help them to connect their purpose to the purpose of the organization and see the drive that comes within people is by default. Another dimension of why is connect people to the values that this organization cherishes, and at the same time values that people have, and again align them together. So second is why. Third important is how. Help people to understand how capable they have been in the past, and the same possibility exists in even now if they want it. What we are essentially saying is they can move towards higher levels of efficiency and effectiveness and performance because they have the capabilities hidden within them. The next one is what. Help people to understand what is it that they can do. Help them to understand they are autonomous in so many different ways in taking decisions and taking actions. That gives a sense of empowerment to people. And at the same time, seek their ideas about what needs to be done. When you take ideas from certain set of people, you are actually having a perspective from different angles and you are better qualified to take those decisions. So this is what you can do. Next one is where and when. Now this is very important because there are certain decisions that people at different levels can take, and at the same time there are certain decisions which they can absolutely not take. So help them to understand where are the boundaries and when are those boundaries applicable, and so that people can reach out to higher level of people to understand the whole perspective, whole matter, and better decisions can be taken. And the last thought that I'm sharing is who else. What it means is anything that is being done by any organization is not serving one person. So whatever is being done by one person, help them to understand who else gets benefited by their work within the organization and also outside the organization when that product or service actually goes into the market and serves people. So these are some of the ways that you can use to inspire people on a continuous basis. And once again, I'm saying all these need to come in your conversation with people at different points of time.